Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll try to fix this USB error. See here, I am trying to connect my phone with the USB cable to the laptop for the data transfer. There is a small video in this Vivo mobile, and when I'm trying to connect with this USB cable, and this is the Type C, the following error is what I encountered. So I restart this laptop and still the problem exists. And what I did is I just changed the USB port to other port on my laptop. See here, still I'll get something like the options with the USB options when I insert this. Even I just see here, still the same error, USB device not recognized, the last USB you connected to this computer malfunction. Then I restart my mobile, then I just reinserted to this mobile, and still the problem exists. See, still there are no options, so that file transfer is not possible at all. Anyways, you can transfer the files without this USB cable. I did a video tutorial on that. I'll keep that videos in the description. You can go through that if you want wireless transfer between phone and laptop. That means whatever the file, images or something. So then I found out the major issue is this is because of the USB. See, if you can observe or not, there is small rust here. I'll be showing, wait, yeah, if you observe now, this all USB got a lot of rust here. So if possible, you need to clean this properly. There shouldn't be any rust here or inside of this. Or then I just replaced this USB cable with another USB cable, the brand new USB cable, which is of C type only. Then I tried to connect this with the new cable. This fixed my problem. Actually, I didn't do anything software updations or any other. This is a hardware issue. Initially I thought this would be a software issue. Now as I connected to the new data cable, now see here, charging this device via USB. Now I'll be shifting to file transfer. As soon as I did this, see, IQ Z7 Pro. Okay, see, this is my mobile now. This is my mobile C drive and D drive. So this is just because of the data cable issue. So if anyone are facing the similar issue, just try changing the ports. First you need to change the USB ports and check. Later restart your laptop, restart your mobile, still the problem exists, then try to change and try with a new data cable. So by doing all these steps, I hope your problem gets fixed. And this mouse I purchased for 300, wireless mouse, which works with this receiver. So if possible, I'll try to attach this product in the view products. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.